English. And I say, okay, after I go in FIFA committee, we have interpreter, I was observer in FIFA in UEFA, and was in UEFA committee, and they say, now you need to speak English. It is the official language of refereeing and football. Normally, in FIFA you have Spanish, Dutch and French and English. But for football and refereeing, you need to speak English. And I was very old, and I go in school again to progress in English. Because UEFA and FIFA say, Michel, you need to make your report in English, you need to make the seminar in English, and it was very difficult for me. And please, 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 you must to work when you are student. After it's too late. And I am sure your family, your parents say the same, but you say, okay, okay. But when it is people different, perhaps the message is more strong. I suppose with you, many of you spoke English, and we don't need to speak English of Oxford or university. It is just to have a contact, to make communication. This is very important, not to speak a big speech, but just to have good contact all together. You are from Kent?
Yes.
You understand me?
Absolutely fine. Yeah.
You are too nice with me. And you know, before I organize when we have a big because it was, I want to wake up everybody. Because if it was nothing, you were sleeping at the beginning. And I say to the organization, put big sound.
Did we do a good job? Did we do a good job?
Yes.
Yeah? So,
Yes.
okay, you're happy. So.
No. After, wait 10 minutes again to make. And you know, I have big jealousy of you. Because from the 1 week I saw you, and I remember when I was your age. And I have big jealousy of you. Because when I was 17, 18, I was referee. But I stayed just in my region. We are now, I was from a small village. I never take the plane, and when I saw you, it's fantastic. You arrive from so long distance, you are all together, and it is a fantastic experience for you, honestly. Not only for refereeing, but also to open your mind. You see, in school, we read the not newspaper, but you can read the newspaper, but also the book. But the best contact is to be directly in front of the people, to discuss, to say, what is your organization? What is the life in your country? Did the women are easy or not? The young women are correct? What is the tradition in your country? The economic situation, and it's very important to open your mind, honestly. And it is, I want to congratulate the organization, Daniel, Cristiano, and all organizations from the academy and the tournament world game to give the chance to be there. And I know you lose money to go. I know. You make big sacrifice to be there. And it is, for me, fantastic because you have, if you spend money, it is because you have big motivation to learn. You have big motivation to learn. And this is very important. And also, you are lucky people because when you learn refereeing, what can I say here? You have good observer, teacher, and me, I am old man, but you have younger observer, younger coach. And I just want to say to you, when you learn beginning of your career to be a referee, the people, your teachers say, football is universal, especially in England, because you play the football, and they say football is universal. And me, I am crazy man. I say no, football is not universal. And they say, Michel is totally crazy. We have many different of football. We have many different of football. The football is universal for two teams, one ball, and assistant. After it's big difference. You have different football in Africa, different football in Europe. Also you have Latin football, you have Scandinavia football, you have East country football. And the mentality are very different from the players. Really, if you want to progress, now you are young, but in the future, is to understand what is the football play when I am referee. And I can say to you, when I was international, I say I am the best. My God, I was there. I progressed few years after my nomination of FIFA referee. When I can open my mind, when I can go to, I remember when I referee Italy before, you know, Latin people always speaking, always simulation, they chant. But it's different between many countries, and I must to understand the football is different. You know, I don't want to speak about the free kick. I don't want to speak about offside, because you have so many good observers, so many good teachers. What can I say? It is free kick, direct free kick, indirect free kick. You know everything, and you are really very good expert in this tournament. And I say to Daniel, I say, okay, I am happy to speak with our young colleague, but not to make a seminar about the laws. Everybody knows the laws. And I just want to speak about the experience. I am not lucky to be so old, because I repeat, to be at your seat, but it's the life. I have only the experience for me, but I lose everything. My back is absolutely broke. I am not very dynamic, but I am so happy to be with you. I forget this. And, you know, the football is fantastic, of course. But in England, when they say, oh, they create the football, you remember at what time? You was not born, I know. No, but it was more 100 years. And no referee at the beginning. Only players. Don't forget this. The football is not for referee. It is for players. But they cannot play without referees. It is, at the beginning, it was only the two captains say, free kick for yellow, free kick for red. And you know the human people from all countries, the human people cannot be to be the disciplinary control. Always fighting and say, no, it was not free kick for me, it is for me, not for the different opponent. And big fights on the pitch. Then the English people are not so crazy. And they say, what can we do? And he say, okay, we take two umpires, excuse me for my accent. They put, you know, it was assistant on all lines. No referee, but one assistant on all lines. And they say free kick, offside, many problems, many fighting. And they say, what can we do? English people, so intelligent people, they take a chair, the same now as in the tennis, and they put the referee sitting in the middle, but out of the field, and say, free kick. For me, it could be easy to be a referee. No problem with the no problem with the Cooper test. Everything was correct for me. But big problems, because people always fighting. We need to have somebody near the action. A policeman. I know some people don't like when we say policeman, but he's a policeman. To have an application of the rules, we need somebody. And when the referee was there, the players take care. And I am surprised because the federation never speak about this. I am surprised when we have seminar, nobody speak about this. To remember for the players before, no referee. We are not here to kill you, we are here to help you and to help the football. If they change the mind, could be different. And really, I spoke with the players, the teams, and when I make a conference and I say, don't forget, the football was not created for referees, but you cannot play without referee. Nobody pay to see you. Sometimes they pay to send you tomatoes. Nobody pay to see the referee. The people pay to see the players. This is very important. Never forget, you are the most important people on the pitch, but for football you are not the most important. The players are the most important to make the show. And when we say show, it is not only professional football, World Cup, and also for children or for amateur league. It is a show. And you are here to help the show. It is your first duty. Never, I say, you are not the most important people, but you could be very, very proud of you to be referee. Because you are very courageous people. You go to pass an exam. You make training to be referee. And the football players you see in World Cup, they can be professional and win big money, they don't know the laws. It is the professional football players, they can play and win big money, they have no exam. They don't know the rules. If we make a test to the big name in football, in all countries, I am sure they don't know how many laws are to play football. And they contest always the referee. It's terrible. It's absolutely terrible. And really, it's fantastic to be a referee. It is fantastic school of a life. Not only for the game, it is the first reason, but also is very important for your life, in your job, in your life with everybody. It is the best school of a life, honestly. Me, I cannot play football. When I was, I think, 8 or 9, 10, I was ill, and I stayed 6 months on a bed, and the year after, 9 months. And the doctor say, don't play football, no sport. I never practiced sport, never. And I finished international referee. It's incredible, really. And you know, I was not a good international referee, but I was proud to prove when we want, we can arrive. For me, it was fantastic. Because when I was young, and a man was my spiritual father, to say you must to be referee, I say no, I cannot make sport. And he's going to my mother, and he say now he's 17, he must to be with different people and young people to have a social life. And my mother say, no, the doctor say no sport. Okay, he said, go to the doctor. And the doctor he never saw a ball. He was from a small village, he don't know football, and he said to my mother, okay, he can go because a referee is not running. And he's good now. He's 17, he can go. My life, honestly, is a roman for me. I never play. I have nobody in football in my family. And for me, it's fantastic life. And I want to say to you, when we can, when we want, we can. Sometimes I heard, yes, but we are from a small country, it's difficult to arrive, but you know, I say, okay, it's more difficult for you. But if you work and work and work, you can have a chance. It is not automatic, but you make the maximum to have a chance to arrive. And I say, if you miss to arrive in the top, you can check you in the mirror and to say, I give the maximum, I was not lucky man, but I work a lot to arrive. And you must to be also lucky, but you must to force to be lucky. I know so many referees in all countries. They were very promising referees, they never arrived in the top. They were not lucky. But you must to force the chance to be lucky. I want to give you example of Italy man. I was young FIFA referee. Nobody know me, of course. I was the beginning, I was young. And I received a qualification World Cup game. It was Greece against Italy. And you know, Latin people and difficult game, and I was lucky man. Why? First of all, Italy wins. Okay. And second, the big boss of UEFA and FIFA referee was Artemio Franchi. The Italian know you have a stadium in Firenze, if my memory is good. He was from Siena. He was really the big boss. And he was not so young, he could be sleeping, he could go in restaurant, or in theater, or in cinema, but he was behind his TV. And he checked the game. And he said, what is this young referee? I don't know him. At the end, he was very happy. Oh, he said, very promising referee. And he pushed me quickly in the top. If Mr. Franchi was sleeping during the game, perhaps I am not with you today. Yes? Yeah. Or you take perhaps 2 or 3 years more to arrive. We must to be lucky, but if I make big mistake during the game, hey, I go down quickly also. You see, it is the balance. We need always to give the maximum. Always. Because somebody, you say today is not important game, but you have always somebody looking at you and speak after against you. And I say to you, it's very important to be also lucky, but you need to work a lot to arrive. This is my first philosophy. Also, I say to everybody, my philosophy is the small details make the big difference. Small details make the big difference. Also in your life. By example, I am sure, honestly, for me, all referees are good. Honestly. All. I don't know everybody, but I know you are good. Because you are referee, you work a lot to arrive referee, and you pass exam. And you are good. Why we have top referee, and why you have sometimes referee just good? Difficult to speak about this. But when you see the World Cup from 1 month, you can see some big name of refereeing, they make mistake. And we also have some referee we don't know before, and they were very good referee. We never know in refereeing. But small details make the big difference. You must to prepare you in all, and my image is, what is a referee? It is the pilot of the plane. The pilot of the plane. Tomorrow, I come back, I am no airport, but if I am airport, I go take the plane. It is very black weather, the storm arrive, and I am afraid. I arrive in the plane, and I saw the pilot. The cockpit was open. I saw the pilot, he was white. I saw the steward. I saw the hostess. They were white and very afraid. Honestly, I go directly to airport. I don't stay in the plane because I have no confidence of the pilot. I am afraid for my life. It is the same for you when you are referee or assistant. You must to give confidence for everybody. And if you arrive white, I know I was also referee, and you know before the game I cannot eat for the lunch, and I go many times in toilet, and it is normal. It is normal. But when I arrive on the pitch, I must to give confidence for everybody. Not to be a dictator. Not to be a dictator, but to give confidence. Not arrive to say, hello, how are you? You must to arrive, and you are here to help the players and the football. And please, it is also a preparation, you know. The life is a theater. The life is a theater. But also football, you saw we are good comedians, the footballers, the players are very good comedians. And we must to be more good comedians with the players, because it's not easy for you. And honestly, it's very, very, very important. We spoke about body language, the whistle and everything. You can progress each time, but it's difficult to change of personality. You don't know me, only your grandmother can remember about me. But when I was beginning my career, I was very nervous on the pitch. Hey, whoop, 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 free kick, blah, 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 top, go. I was really, and I don't give confidence. And I changed, but I changed after perhaps 2 years. 2 years. We cannot say tomorrow, by example, if I observe your colleague today and I say you are too nervous, you must to change. He cannot change for tomorrow. He must to take long time. And it is also my philosophy with the observer and with your teacher. When I beginning my career, I am sure it was the same for you. The observer said to me, Michel, not good positioning, you must to be there. The game after I change, different observer, he say, no good positioning, change. I say, what can I do? Honestly, my advice, you are different also, is, I have a game. The observer give me the advice. He's good, he has good experience. But also the observer was different personality when they were referee. We have many different personalities. And it is the same for observer. And the observer gives you advice. And you must to analyze you and to say, what is good for me, my personality, what is good to change, what is positive for me. And after, I can progress. Don't kill the observer to say, oh, he's not good, the observer is not give, it was different of the last observer. No, everybody has different feelings. Of course, we are always in the same line, but the small difference you can learn with different observers. And me, for me, it was, I say to you, incredible to be referee, and I was very relaxed. I was not afraid to stay in amateur level, because for me, it was a big surprise to be referee. And I was very relaxed. I make my exam for professional league, and the observer was a French FIFA member. Very strong man, very big personality. And at this moment, the players always the same now, speaking against referee. And what we say, we whistle free kick, indirect free kick, and go. It is technical foul. You know the rules. If somebody is speaking against you, if you are not happy with the comportment, you say, stop, call the players, give a yellow card, and after, what is the restarting of the game? It is indirect free kick. It is the rules. You cannot say indirect free kick and go. But when I was young referee, we make many times this. And it was my exam. And when I finish the game, toc toc, okay? Oh, no, when the observer, it is your exam. Yeah. He say, why you whistle at the 21 minute? What was this indirect free kick? I say, I know. He said to me, it's a technical foul. And it was my exam. And I say, I know. Okay, you know, but why you don't give yellow card and after indirect free kick? And I said to him, if it was not my exam, if I have no observer, I don't give a yellow card. And I don't want to change because you was here to observe me. He was the same a boxer, he said, oh no, not you. Oh, fantastic personality, I like it, and blah, 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 blah. If I am an observer, very strict with the law, I don't pass in professional league. What can I say to you? If tomorrow you have your big exam, you make the same me, and the observer kill you, you say, but Michel gives bad advice. You understand me? Yeah. It's very important to stay natural, but we are here to also to take the good technical decision. It's very important, because if you pass your exam, take the good decision. Because now we change a lot. In my generation, it was different. But you know, for me, I was relaxed and it was positive for me. But for somebody different could be very negative. We never know what happens. But don't forget, you are not referee for observer, you are referee for football. Don't forget this, please. You are referee because I know all people, oh, I am Daniel as observer. And you phone everybody. What like Daniel? He like when you give a penalty to play again. He like for when you repeat the throw-in. What is his personality? No. Stay natural. Give the maximum on the pitch. You say you take your job. You must to be very good feeling of the spirit of the game. And inshallah. After, if the observer is happy, you are happy. After, you have one more chance for the second game. Also, I want to have a special word to the assistant, honestly. Please, the referee, protect your assistant. They are the most important actors in the football. Really. It is the most important people on the pitch. It's so difficult to be assistant, honestly. Very, very difficult. Look, they must to be always not easy to running, I cannot, but to running in this part. It's not easy to have the eyes in front of the line, and where is the ball? When they play the ball, you must to have your eyes. I am sure we have no animals in the forest the same as the assistant. We have no. It's so difficult to be really. And you have the people behind you. It's terrible. And you have no power. And the people don't like to have no power. Sometimes when the referee don't follow you, you want to put the flag and say bye-bye. It's not easy to be assistant because you are not the boss. The referee is the boss. But the referee must to protect you because you have nobody to protect you. For amateur game in my region, many years ago, it was young referee and old assistant. And the players speak about against the old assistant, was not correct. The old assistant have a red card, give the red card, and the players go in the dress room. Please protect your assistant. It's the most difficult function in the football. Okay, you are not sleeping?
No.
You understand me?
Yeah.
Comme ci, comme ça, but I don't know. After I spoke about basketball for you. And, you know, assistant is honestly very difficult. And why we say your teacher, your observer say you are a team, but it's true. It's true. If you have a big game tomorrow, you are fantastic referee. At the 90 minutes, a mistake of the assistant. All coach, staff and people kill not only the assistant, they kill all team. All team. It's very important to be exactly the team. Not to say I don't like, I saw sometimes when it was offside or free kick, and I saw the referee say, look, it is, I don't know, he gives, please, you are a team, the referee accepts the decision of assistant. And if you say no, you must to make a clear signal, okay, I saw, but please, you can give advantage, but thank you very much, but you put the flag down. Really, I have many considerations for assistant. It's really the most difficult job. And the big problem of human. I am sure you never think about this. In World Cup, in '98, I was FIFA member of committee, and I make a speech to the assistant of World Cup. Imagine you now. You are assistant for the young World Cup in Russia. You arrive. You are happy. It's a dream for you. It is fantastic to arrive. Me, I want to go in the World Cup to cut the lemon. If the FIFA say, Michel, go, just to cut the lemon, I go. When I was young referee, I could be happy. And I am sure you also. And your colleague was there, very happy, and I say, are you happy? Yes! Okay, and I say, you know that nobody know you? Say, is this crazy man? And I say, you are very famous only in your family. He's crazy French. And he don't understand. And I say to the assistant, I hope for you, you come back at home at the end of the competition and that nobody know your name. Why you say this? Because the people remember of the name only if you make a big mistake. If you are perfect, nobody, I spoke for the assistant, is different for referee, but for assistant it's clear. The people don't know the name, except in your country or, of course, in your family. And I say, if you are popular in the world, it is because you will make a big mistake. Terrible. It's terrible. And I can give many examples of the last World Cup, of the people you remember only the name of some people make big mistakes. Also for the referees. If the referee make a big mistake, everybody remember the name for all life. When I spoke with young people and old people, I say, can you give me the name of the referee who whistled the final in Mexico, the last final in Mexico? I pay for you a ticket to Miami I pay from my pocket. Will you give a name?
I think he was the captain of Brazil.
No, we don't remember. If this referee make a big mistake, we remember. You know why I was so popular? Everybody know me in the world. I make so many mistakes. They remember of my name. This is very important to make big mistakes. The people remember of mine. I am serious. It's terrible to be referee. When you take the good decision, the people say, but it's normal. But when you take perhaps a fantastic decision, but the people don't like your decision, they kill you. And when they spoke, I was in Argentina in March. I refereed the semi-final when Argentina was the qualification. After I speak about this game, not Italian people can go out, but I speak about my game of Italy, Argentina in semi-final. And the taxi say, oh, you are referee? He saw my whistle, yes, yes. I referee your team in World Cup, opening game, and also the semi-final when you win. He don't remember my name. But he say, oh, Codesal, a bandito, he whistle the final, he whistle penalty against Argentina, he's a bandito, he's a mafioso, and blah, 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 blah. He don't know my name, because he win with me, the last semi-final, but he spoke only about the referee of the final because he whistled a penalty against Argentina. You see, we are a job totally crazy. Not easy, but it's fantastic. It's fantastic. And if I spoke about my good example of game, you can go sleeping very quickly. I have no many examples of good refereeing. If I spoke about my bad refereeing, you can be there tomorrow morning. I don't finish. I just want to give you some big example. And I never spoke because the new generation, what they want. They want the name of Ronaldo, it's normal. You see the TV, and for you is the big name in your country, and you 20 years ago, you don't know, it's normal, except about Maradona, because always, we can remember him, but it was fantastic player, huh? It was a fantastic player, but after it was terrible. Okay, and always I say to the referee, you build your reputation. You built your reputation. At the first game, first time, the people are not happy. But if you take good decision, after they respect you. And it's not easy at the beginning to give 2 red cards and to the local team and many troubles. It's not easy. But if you need to give, you must to give. Very important. And not easy, but I am sure in the future they take care about you. They don't forget that you are a referee, very courageous and very good referee. At the beginning it's very difficult, but you build your reputation. And I want to give a clear example with me, but forget the year. It was 82 World Cup in Spain, and you know the FIFA, each big competition say you must take care about this, good the example, and the tackle behind. And at this moment it was 9 meters for free kick. And honestly, before it was terrible. The players were always 2 meters, 3 meters maximum. And me, young referee, crazy, I give many yellow cards for 9 meters. Many. In France, I cannot referee the French team. Everybody says, oh, this referee is fantastic. He gives yellow card for the 9 meters because it's terrible. It's a cancer of football. The same now for simulation. It's a cancer of the football, in my opinion. It's too difficult for the referee to see the simulations. Very difficult for you. It's the reason why you need to have a top physical condition to be near the action. If you have too fast, difficult to see if it is really simulation or not. And I give many yellow cards. I have Polish referee here, I think, from Poland.
Yeah, this one guy.
Okay, not here, okay, no, I prefer, it's better for me. I give yellow card to the best player of Poland. He's now president of the federation. He was a good friend of Michel Platini, he's a good friend, he's Bonnier, but you don't know the name. And it was a tactic of the players. It was a tactic of the team. Don't forget, when you see the players near the ball, it is a tactic of the coach. And the coach don't take the defender, he takes the attackant, because normally the defender receives more yellow card. And they say to the attackant, go, if you take a yellow card, you have a chance to not receive 2 yellow cards. It is a tactic of the player, really, of the team. And me, I say to Bonnier, the best player, I say, 9 meters. He don't move. I say, quickly, 9 meters. He don't move. Yellow card. Okay, finish. The game after, he received a second yellow card. And the semi-final was Poland against Italy, if my memory is good in Spain. He cannot play. The best player cannot play because he received 2 yellow cards and the yellow card for 9 meters. And he said he was very angry against me. After I was observer for UEFA and FIFA, and I meet him many times, and he say, oh, Michel, oh, catastrophe. I cannot play the semi-final because you. I say, me? I don't give you a yellow card. What? You give me the yellow card for 9 meters for nothing, and I cannot play the final. Totally crazy. Oh, Michel. I say, me? I don't give yellow card. Yes, you give me. No, you take the yellow card. I don't give the yellow card. You take the, and after me, he kiss me. But you know, when I come back in France, every day I have a referee of the first game in France. People arrive. Congratulations for the yellow card. Bravo. Congratulations. Congratulations. Excuse me to wake up you, but I want to take example. And I say, people say, fantastic, you was very strong for. And during the game, 90 minutes, free kick against the local team. 9 meters. Okay, 9 meters. And I say, you are not 9 meters, they play and they stop the ball. Yellow card, and I repeat the free kick. You know, the referees are not lucky. Immediately, the second free kick, they score. And the local team lose 0-1. I cannot come back in the dress room. The same people to say before the game, congratulations, was to kill me and say you are totally crazy. We lose for a few centimeters. But when we are referee, we must make good application of the law. It's not easy, but after they know you and they take care. I can give you the second example of good example. The second game after, I say it was important game, and I say in France, 9 meters, nobody move. 9 meters, nobody move. I give to the captain, he was near the ball, a good friend of me, and I give yellow card for this. He arrived near me, and he said, you are better in TV as tonight. I say, okay. I put the yellow card in my pocket, and after I give a red card, and I say, go quickly to the dress room, because the TV program beginning. Honestly, I don't make music. I am 72. I don't need to give you the music in front of you, but my life is behind me. And after, really, it's not a joke. I am very, very honest with you. The next free kick, I say, 9 meters. Nobody. It's very strong. Where we are? They were 15 meters. And I was to go to say, please, Come back to... It's true, huh? It's not music. Before yesterday, I observed a colleague of you. It was very funny, it's not mistake, but he count the 1, 2, 3, 9 meters. I say, why did he count? No players was there. He said here, but no players was, no defender, nobody. Why to make 1, 2, but if you say nobody play, you know? This is a good story. Now, I must to give you a very bad story of me. I make many fouls. And I was referee of the Intercontinental Cup in Tokyo. I have only no French assistant. I have Japanese assistant. It was very nice, always. But they don't speak English. And me, I don't speak Japanese. It was not easy. Because normally when you are with your team or your colleagues, they say before the game, Michel, you have your yellow card, you have your red card, you have the piece for the kickoff, you have your whistle. And me, when we arrive to the list to go to the room, he say, okay, after you, and make this, and the list was up, and we are waiting down. And it was for me 5 o'clock because difference of the jet lag. And for me, I was sleeping. When I give the kickoff, I was really sleeping. And we arrived 40 minutes, clear yellow card. It was Porto Alegre for
Grêmio.
Brazil.
It was Grêmio. Grêmio from Porto Alegre.
Yes. Oh, you know everything. He's a computer. Take care. It's very, very dangerous for police secret because he knows everything. And I say, yellow card. And I arrive very strong. No yellow card. Intercontinental final. Everybody was in the tribune, all big name of football in TV, and my yellow card and red card were in my dressing room. Normally I must to be out. It is a big foul for a top referee. I speak with nobody. I call the player from Brazil. I say, finish! Next time, out! And I make my prayer. I don't give additional time. And I come back in the dress room and I take immediately my 2 cards. And after I give 5 yellow cards. But it's not normal. Imagine if it was a red card and I just to say go out but nobody can see the red card. It's not normal for a top referee. Honestly. I don't speak with nobody, just with you now. But before, I don't say to Blatter, to Avalanche, oh, I have no my card in the pocket. But it's not normal. When you are a top referee, you cannot make this foul, honestly. But we need to be lucky. Yeah. If I have big troubles, I need to give card, nobody can see the card. And I say, thank you to the referee, good. But it's not normal from my part. It's not acceptable from a top referee. Not normal. And I want to give advice. Okay, now you progress a lot. I saw sometimes in my country, they have only one pocket to put the red and the yellow card. And one time, he take the card to give a yellow card, but with humidity, he have the 2 cards. And one part of stadium see yellow card, and the second part see red card. Take care about this. Always put in different pocket your card. It is nothing. What I say at the beginning, the small details make the big difference. And we never know what can arrive. Look at me. I never imagine if I am your observer. and you have no your card, I say, out. And me, I go top observer, top referee for the Intercontinental Cup, and I make this mistake. It's not acceptable. It's not acceptable. But I like to speak with the young referee, because the old referee always speak, when I was referee, I make this, I make this. I say, no, I spoke about my big mistake. And I don't know if it is good to speak. Yesterday I saw the semi-final Belgium against, Croatia against England. And they play prolongation and they play additional time, 4 minutes. I was very happy because I remember what said Daniel to me. When I was referee of the semi-final in World Cup, when I spoke about this, I have my back is not good condition, but I am very cold water behind. I need to be lucky. I play, it was very honestly difficult game. Big atmosphere because the public support Maradona was playing in Napoli and the spectators and the Italian players was, but I have no excuse. And I lose my watch. I play 8 minutes additional time for the second prolongation. Oh my God, imagine if Italy score a goal. I am not with you today. Everybody say, okay, it was corruption. It was to help Italy, they organized the World Cup, and the referee give more and more time to score a goal. If Argentine score, I am not with you, I have died. And I am in the cemetery of Napoli. And me, I say nothing. I have no explanation today to say you, why? I don't know. Perhaps I stopped because I stopped many times the game. I say, okay, I stop my watch, and perhaps I forget to start again. Perhaps, you know, the pressure is terrible. It's not excuse, I have no excuse. But perhaps I was thinking I was in normal half-time, perhaps. I think it was 45 minutes, perhaps. I don't know. I have no explanation. And I was surprised when I come back in the dress room. I heard, but Michel, why you play 8 minutes bonus? I say, no, I play normal. I don't understand. After I realized my big mistake. No goal. I make joke. I say it is very nice to be in TV. Everybody in the world can see me for the same price. But really, today again, is very, very cold behind my back. Perhaps it's the reason why I am so big problem with my back. Perhaps it's the fault of Italy, Argentine. And really, it's not normal. It's not normal. If I want, I cannot speak about this. You are so young people. But I want to speak. All my seminars, I speak about my bad example. Because you must to know also the big referee, the big name, make also incredible foul. Because this is incredible foul. Many people say to me, Michel, but you're assistant. I say, no. It is not, I make the mistake. I was the referee, I was the boss. I don't accept to hurt. It is also the fault of the assistant. It was my fault. Because I am the boss. Not good to say yes, why they don't give me more clear, Michel is finished. My fault. Only mine. And honestly, you know, when I say at the beginning, we need to be lucky, I give you some example of me. It's the reason why I never critique the referee. Always I support the referees until the end of my life. Because I know that is how it's difficult for you. I know how you are very courageous to be referee. I know that refereeing is fantastic. And if tomorrow I will die, and if I have a possibility to come back, and if God say to me, Michel, do you want to be referee again? I say yes. I make many mistakes, I have many scandals against me, all the referees, the people fighting, but it's fantastic life. It is a fantastic life. And I hope for you, never take the head down. You must to stay always the people in the eyes, also with the players. Never put the eyes down because you lose your game. Even if the game is difficult, even if you play in difficult stadium, you must no arrogance, no dictator, but proud to be referee and never put your eyes down. You must to check and don't forget my, oh la la, it's a long time, excuse me, Daniel. I was speaking with Daniel, I say, when the people sleeping, I stop. But you are very strong people, you sleep and I cannot see. Because I never stop when I talk referee. And you can see, I don't take paper with you. I don't like to have a PowerPoint. I prefer to speak with my heart in front of you. Because I don't, after I am sure, when I finish, I say, oh my God, Michel, you forget to speak about this. But for me, it's not important. I prefer my direct message with my heart with you. And not to prepare is normal. Your colleague, observer, teacher, they must to prepare the technical paper to show the clips is normal. But for this speech, I like to be just direct with you. And the problem with Alzheimer, I miss many things. But I want to give you the, if you can, after when you come back in your home, perhaps to retain only small things about my speech and to speak with your colleagues in your country. And when I go in the next week, I am for the seminar, Qatar Referee Seminar. I go many times. I know when I arrive, they say, Michel, small details make the big difference. Always before to say, how are you? And we learn the prayer of referee. And I say, do you remember the prayer? Okay, normally you are Muslim. You pray 5 times by day. But you need to pray the morning and evening to the refereeing prayer. Protect the player. Protect the show. Enjoy to be referee and protect your assistant. This is the prayer of referee. And when I arrive, I say, Michel, the prayer. I am very happy. And I forget, now I remember, I give an example. When you are referee or assistant, you know, everybody, I am sure, what is in your head. I don't remember the name in English, the same. Quickly, quickly, penalty, no penalty, offside, no offside. You must to stop there to have a good decision. It's very difficult. It's very, very difficult. If when it is raining, if you are with your car, try to stop in the middle. You never arrive. They stop on the right, they stop on the left. It is the same for you. You say, penalty, no penalty, penalty, penalty. You must to stop there. But you stop there or you stop there. If you stop there, it's not so bad. And the same for assistant, offside. We can see, but offside, no offside, the active, passive, no. And you must to take the good decision in 1 second. It's fantastic. But you need also to work, to arrive to the top and to stop exactly. Why we ask you to be very good physical condition? Because when it is very hot, you have a big game. You know, I am sure you know this. When you sleep late, you go to doing something the day before, especially in this tournament. And you arrive, and you arrive at the end of the game 5 minutes before. It's too hot. You know, the legs and your eyes. is not clear inside you. Penalty, no penalty, is difficult. If you are the top physical condition, you will take the good decision. This is very important. Why we ask you to be very good physical condition? For me, if I am your observer, you are in the middle, you give penalty. If it is a good penalty, I say bravo, but take care for the future. Because you are not good positioning and you take big risk. But if you are in the middle and you give bad penalty, I kill you. If you are lucky to take the good decision, I say okay. But if you are not good positioning and you take the bad decision, I will be very strong with you. You understand my philosophy?
Yes.
This is very important to have a very good physical condition. Very. Oh, I think you are tired. It was a long day for you. And me, I was so happy to see you before my departure and to speak about this. I know you know everything with your teacher, with your committee referee. They spoke about this. I am sure you know. But it's good sometimes that somebody different can also speak, not always in the top, to say me also, I make big foul. And perhaps if I have my reputation, I can go in all stadium in the world, even where I make big foul, I can stay my eyes open and in front of the people. I have good contact with everybody. He said, Michel, you remember? You made this mistake. I say, oh. When I was observer, because now I am stopped by the age limit, the people say to me during the game, Michel, penalty, look, offside. I say, excuse me. When I was referee, I see nothing. Now I am old man, I heard nothing. Because it is the life. And I forget what I say to you and promise Daniel and Cristiano, I stop. I forget to give you the example about assistant. When I say it's the problem because I don't know nothing on a paper, but I want to say to you, the final in England, World Cup 66, you remember, huh? Yeah. And nobody knows today if it was a goal or not a goal. Nobody knows, because the TV was not very good. And nobody, they discuss now. The old player say, oh, it was goal. The old player say, no, it was not goal. Nobody knows. And the assistant, I don't ask you the name, was from Azerbaijan.
You should ask that young boy, maybe he remembers.
You remember, huh? We spoke yesterday. And you were not sleeping yesterday when I spoke. And it was somebody from your country. You learned yesterday about it. And he was very famous. We don't know if he made a big mistake, perhaps it changed the result. We don't know. But if you go in Azerbaijan, in Baku, the national stadium is the name of the assistant. And in front of the stadium, you have the statue of the assistant. And nobody knows if it was good or not. But the people from Azerbaijan were so happy, everybody in the world spoke about Azerbaijan with the assistant. If the assistant give goal without problem, nobody spoke. But they have big doubt, he must be very, very popular. It's incredible. Incredible. I think with all my mistakes I make in stadium, I must have my statute in many stadiums. Do you have, I don't know, we have no time for question, I think it's too late.
No, it's prefer.
Question.
You are sleeping, you want to have something, or we finish?
Yeah, well, I'm sure we have some questions. So
We're here, yeah.
No?
It's always hard to start, but who's willing to start?
Our colleague.
You know, you said
Tu peux rester assis. You can, I don't know if you spoke French.
you You know, you said when you wanted to caution the player, you didn't have a yellow card, and so you gave him a strong public admonition and asked him to go off. What if it had been an obvious incident of violent conduct,
Yeah.
and you had to send him off,
Normally,
and you realized you didn't have a red card?
you
How-
know,
how would you have dealt with it?
you know the old system.
Give the
Yes.
answer.
You must to call the captain, and you call the player, and you say to him, I give you, I have no red card, I give you a red card, you must to go out, I note your name, and I must to speak with the captain. But it's terrible, nobody can understand this. Really, I am killed. But I have only the one possibility is to call, before the yellow card or the red card, we call, and we say, you have a yellow card. And you remember when they are use the yellow card and red card for first time?
1962.
No, it was World Cup in 70 in Mexico. It was the first time they used yellow and red card. And it was, again, English man was stopping in the semaphore with his car. And he said, he saw yellow, orange, and red. Oh, he said, we must to use in football. And he proposed to FIFA, and FIFA used yellow and red card. It was to give information for everybody. Because before, when you ask me the question, before in amateur league, I give you, I say, okay, you are out, but you say, okay, I don't note on the paper, on the list, I arrange with you. Now it's impossible, everybody say, but I give you the yellow card. This is very important. But take care. When you want to give a yellow card, you must to, I saw sometimes the referee arrive in the middle of the players, nobody know who received the yellow card. Always you must to take the players out of the mass confrontation and to give very clear yellow cards. We have two possibilities. You have the English school. They ask the player, they note, and they give the yellow card. And you have also the Latin school or different school, immediately they give and not after. I think the English school is not so bad. But the problem of Latin players, he arrive immediately to push the referee. It's different education. But the most important is to give the yellow or red card at the right man player and at the right moment and very clear. Everybody must to know who received the yellow card. Because after, I was an observer in Euro in Belgium, and the excellent referee give a yellow card in middle of the player. Nobody know who received the yellow card. He give a new one, and people say, look, it is the second. I say, I don't know. Always, we must to know who received the yellow card. The red card is easy, because the player is coming out. It's easy to see who received. But especially the yellow card, everybody must to see very clear. Finish the questions. You want to go to Paris? You want to go to see the young woman from Paris?
Any more questions?
I think you are very tired and I speak a lot. But I want to thank you and I want to hope for you don't forget, step by step. Step by step. Experience. The people ask me, Michel, what is the best qualities for a referee to be top? I say, experience. You need to have experience. When you are a young man, I heard many people say, oh, this referee will be the same you, he's very promising, big referee. But the problem is very difficult, what I want to say. A good referee must to have the shirt broken. So people say, Michel, it's crazy. But when you have young referee, always good, no problem. One day arrive a bad problem. And the problem is the experience. If the referee don't know what is the best solution, he loses the game. And when you have more and more experience, you can progress and understand all. And I have many examples of very promising referees go down because they were always in top level without problem. The day when I arrive the big problem, they have no solution. And the name is experience. You need to progress with experience. Don't step by step, but take care. Many people of refereeing say, oh, you have time, you are young, take your time. And a few years after, oh, you are too old now, you cannot go in the top level. It's not take care about the good to have a feeling. But honestly, step by step and take good experience to learn what happens. And don't look the top referee when you are in your level. I say with smiling, I say you must to take opposite because it's too different. When you cannot compare a game, France-Croatia in final or Belgium, England against Croatia is totally different of your game now. It's a good example, but not so good. It's totally different. The players are not the same, they are not, you know, it is sometimes I have many say, Michel, why you say make this, and I check the World Cup, they don't make this. I say it is very different. Please, it's not the same game, it's not the same football. After you can, when you arrive in top, to understand this. But at the beginning, take care, all is very, very different. Voilà, I finish.